Abdul SHAFIQ. I'm from AIDS branch first year. My company startup name is Tech Hub. Name is Washing Machine. Proposed name is Infinity Wash 10K. Empathizing. Washing machine with customized AI feature. Washing machine self-cleaning mechanism to prevent a mold and a mildew build-up, ensuring the hygiene and prolonging lifespan of the machine. User interface. Interface that caters diverse users' needs include accessible for control for an individual with a disables, multi-tangle options, and customizable preference, ensuring the easy of use and inclusive for all users. Existing product name is washing machine. Futuristic product name is 10 Infinity Wash 10K. Some of the additional features that to be added: self-diagnostic system, creating a washing machine that uses AI and sensors to check itself for a problem early on. It notifies the user on an app or a sensor, helping to prevent the breakdown and saving on repairs. Customizable washing profiles. Design a washing machine with a AI smart AI that learns user preference for, for washing clothes. It suggests settings for fabrics, colors, and user habits. User can easily save their preferred settings. Environmental impact tracker, including a feature that displays the environmental impact on each wash cycle. It tracks water, energy, detergent use, and emissions, helping user to make eco-friendly choice. This is a prototype of a futuristic washing machine. I request viewer of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.